बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। Welcome back to my channel. This is Decor Art signing in. And I'm going to share with you a most beautiful and very stunning planter pot decoration ideas. These are most and super unique and beautiful planter pot decoration ideas for you guys. These are super amazing, super unique and very creative planter pot painting ideas for your home decor. So guys, if you want different other craft videos, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. Always think positive, guys. Always be positive. These are very amazing, very unique and very latest planter pot painting ideas, and you recycle your planter pots into new pots. These are super amazing, super unique and most beautiful and trending recycling ideas. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. And you also watch DIY tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of planter pot painting ideas. Always keep watching my videos. Always keep supporting my channel. These are very beautiful and very unique and super stunning planter pot decoration ideas. For more details, Keep subscribing my channel and keep watching my videos. Take care. Allah Hafiz, guys.